Cache credentials can reveal user activity. If you are looking to enhance security by removing or editing stored credentials, such as disabling automatic login to websites or other services on your Windows system, it's important to manage them properly. Here's a simple guide to clear cache credentials on your Windows PC. Type cmd in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Type run dll32.executable. This is a Windows utility used to execute functions stored in dynamic link library files. Keymgr.dll is the dynamic link library file that handles credential management functionality. KRShowKeyMgr is the function within keymgr.dll that opens the stored usernames and passwords dialog, allowing users to view and manage their saved credentials. When executed, this command opens the Credential Manager window, specifically the stored usernames and passwords section, where users can view saved credentials, add, edit, or delete credentials for network locations, websites, or other services. This tool is useful for both managing and securing stored login information.